Hello friends, today is Friday. I'm just bring my car to fix in mechanic shop. دوستا امروز ما محترم آوردیم در یه مکانیک شاپی که جورش کنن air condition problem داره. It has a AC problem, so I just bring here and I got like a discount. The guy is very nice. دوستا مکانیک بسیار دیسکاونت بسیار راحت کرده و یه صبح ناشتا را گرفتیم. ناشتای صبح است. حالا میرم در حافظش اینجا نوشی جان میکنم. بعد از اونجا ما شما را حتما همراهی میکنم. بسیار هوای خوب، بسیار هوای که گرم نیست، نیمه بارشی. Friends, it's not too hot, it's very nice weather. I'm gonna take my breakfast now. Alright friend, that I fixed my AC very well, and my Sardar Indian friend, very nice guy, he fixed my car AC, and he is right over here. He did very good job, and I'm gonna send you this address. You always come and fix your car. You do everything with a very good discount price and you will love it. دوستا این آدرس اک میبینید. ما محترم اینجا فکس کردم. بسیار پرایس خوب و بسیار پیسه مناسب میگیره. اینجا شما حتما در برادر از سکماس از هندوستان و نامش سونیس. This guy is a Sony, is my brother. He just fixed my car, and don't forget his address and stuff. And my other brother is a gas pumper, a lovely guy. Don't forget those guys. Yad Nara, name is Sony's. Wahi address is. Atman ija. هر پرابلمی داشته باشه به دیسکاونت موترتان جور میشه. It's very good price and discount and comfortable. Whatever you have a problem, it's gotta be never show again. Thank you. All right, now I'm inside. I'm just waiting for my car. He's gonna fix it and let me know in a couple of minutes. So I got my coffee. Now I'm gonna eat. دوستا ما داخل حافظ مکانیک شاپ هستم. حال به اجازه تان ناشتای صبح نکردیم که ناشتای صبح گرفتیم که البته یک کافیم هست. صبح کافی بسیار مزه میده و آدم فرش میسازه. Early in the morning when I get a coffee, it's very good. They make me, like fresh. Let me taste this egg. You see my friend? Just egg and rye roll. It has Dinkin Donut lifted. And rye codfish. That's from Dinkin Donut. I just got it. Let me eat and I let you know how the taste. Very good. Very tasty. بسیار مزه است دوستا. بسیار مزه، بسیار کیفناک. همراهش کافی. خیلی کیف کن. اکثر صبح من خانه میرسم چرا قرنطینه است، کار نیست. بریکفاست خانه میکنم، ولی امروز به خاطر که ایسی محترم خراب شده بود آمدیم پیش مکانیک شاپ. Today I just come for fix my AC to my very nice person mechanic guy. He's very good guy. He's from India but very nice person, you know, one of the nice Indian guy. So I'm gonna eat this breakfast. It's very good. It's very tasty. I love to eat with that nice cook. Usually I do my breakfast at home, but sometimes you're outside, you have something to do, so you have to take your energy early in the morning, you know. Early in the morning is very important. Very nice weather today. No sunny, a little bit drizzle, but it's nice. Please, friend. I never take my coffee with the sugar. I already tell them please sugar on the side, because sometimes they have a sugar syrup, especially in some shops. They don't use, some coffee shops they don't use actual sugar. They put a syrup. I don't like syrup. I always get the sugar on the side, and it makes it much better. Because the syrup, when I drink it, I feel it's not, you know, it's sometimes it's like fake sugar, or maybe it's a syrup sugar, some kind of like that. Thank you very much, friends. I'm gonna go continue my breakfast. Then I'll touch you with another videos. تشکر دوستان. خدا کنه که ویدیوی کوتاه خوشتون آمده باشه. من در کافی اصلا بوره نمیندازم، به خاطر بوره در ساید میگیرم، باز خودم میکس میکنم. به خاطر بوری زیاد اکثر سیروپ بوره میباشه، مثل قند بوره وری که گلونا تخریش میکنم. پسند. Thank you very much, friend. Please, if you don't subscribe my channel, thumbs up, and put the ring bell also, please. دوستان تشکر. اگر تا حالا سابسکرایب نکردین چنل ما رو سابسکرایب کنین و بل فشار بدین. اگر ویدیو خوشتون آمد لایک کنین. Thank you very much.